Well, good afternoon. Travel by water here. Today, I wanted to go over a new piece of safety equipment that I just purchased. It's called a PLB, or a personal locator beacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the box and look at some of the features. It's not something that I can test because a test will actually call search and rescue, which we don't want to do on the Bayhen today. So yeah, let's take a look at our PLB. Okay, and price for this unit was $295 Canadian. That's about $250 US, or maybe a little bit less. So we're looking at the cost of ownership being about $50 a year over its 6-year lifespan. So it is a little bit pricey. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the box. So a PLB differs from an EPIRB in that it's a wearable device, right? So an EPIRB you attach to a boat, whereas the PLB you wear right on your life jacket. However, both devices transmit on 406 megahertz directly to your National Search and Rescue Agency. So for me here in Canada, that would be the Department of National Defense, with no subscription required. Okay, so there's the unit. First close look I've had at it outside of the store. Okay, see what else it comes with here. Comes with a instruction booklet. This thing, which I don't know what it is yet, but I will find out as I read through my instruction manual. Comes with a lanyard, and it comes with a carry pouch. So there are some misconceptions about these units. Some people seem to think that they need an aircraft nearby for these to work, and that was true of much older units. But the newer units transmit to satellite. They say, you know, you're in trouble, you need help. And they also transmit on 121.5 megahertz, which aircraft do track, and they can use that to triangulate your position once they're a little bit closer to you. But the way this works is it's transmitted to the satellite transmits it to your National Search and Rescue Agency, and then they'll send somebody to search for you, and then only once they're close will they use the 121.5 to triangulate your position. However, this is also sending your GPS position. Okay, so I'm going to flip the device over. Okay, it's got some information on the back. On the very top of it there, it's got activation instructions. Okay, yeah, and the idea with this unit, I'm wearing it on my person, on my life jacket. So if I go into the water or if the boat's in distress, I activate the device. It signals search and rescue, and this will transmit for 24 hours, and it'll transmit both on the 406 and 121.5 for those 24 hours. However, even once the 24 hours are up, the Search and Rescue Agency has a last known position for you that they can start their search at if they haven't found you in the first 24 hours. Take a quick look at the pouch here. The pouch has a strap that you can attach to a belt or whatever. Pouch feels like it's weather resistant, and PLB slides right into the pouch, and it's protected. There we go. The Fast Find Ranger PLB GPS personal locator beacon. Taking a look at my life jacket here, I haven't decided. I think that's actually what this might be for here, is so I can attach my PLB right there opposite my my rescue knife. However, if I don't put it in there, I can put it inside any one of these pockets. So at any rate, I'll wear it right on my life jacket. Okay, so I'm going to read some details off the box. It says, get found with Fast Find, GPS, 406 megahertz, 121.5 megahertz, 6-year battery life. I'll repeat that, 6-year battery life, because EPIRBs have a 5-year battery life. and some of these models have 5-year battery lives, but this model has a 6-year battery life. So I've got this until 2014, until the battery goes dead. It's waterproof, no subscription required. Your ultra reliable electronic safety beacon. When no other forms of communication are available, activating your fast find will summon emergency assistance. Okay, so a final summary of this device. It's a McMurdo Fast Find Ranger PLB. It uses a satellite transmission to transmit your GPS position, and that you're in distress. It'll transmit for 24 hours, giving search and rescue your GPS position. When they get closer, they can use the 121.5 signal to triangulate your final position and rescue you. So I use this because I do a lot of solo sailing. I do canoe tripping. I do some mountaineering. So knowing that I can signal search and rescue from pretty well anywhere in the world with just flipping a switch, and knowing that help will be on the way, gives me a big peace of mind. And also, I can use this when I'm sailing with my family too, right? It's not just when I'm alone. I can signal for help with this device no matter what I'm doing, land or sea or otherwise. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you for watching the Travel by Water channel.